a list of metals either arranged in decreasing reactivity or increasing. Ang sa pinaka-original, ang pinaka-reactive is this one. Ang pinaka-less reactive is your gold. So, taas na siya. Okay. But since we only use this one, kanila ato nga parang mas dali ninyong ma-memorize. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, so here, magnesium is more reactive than zinc.
And reactive than iron, more
reactive than
copper.
copper. So, ang pinaka-less reactive sa ito is copper.
Copper.
And the more reactive is this one. Okay. When you have your experiment, we have the first copper sulfate, copper metal plus copper sulfate. No reaction.
Yeah.
Ano man, the copper here and here are of the same reactivity. That's why they react.
Okay.
Then copper with magnesium, no reaction gyapon because your copper cannot replace a more reactive metal. So copper with zinc chloride, no reaction gyapon. Copper with ferrous sulfate, no reaction gyapon. So what's the reason?
Copper is like
Okay, the copper
Is
cannot
less-
replace magnesium, zinc, iron because copper is the less
Least.
reactive among the four
Okay.
metals. Putangi-putaw ninyo ang explanation.
Okay, miss.
O, syempre. Di ba naman may data sheet? Then below na may questions. Okay. But then, when you have magnesium plus copper sulfate, there is a reaction. What happens to the copper? This one.
Replace, got replaced. Oh.
Say color.
Blue.
Kani siya, di ba? Shiny
May black na.
gray. Dayon, okay, may kang black.
Black.
Then, what happens to this? Unsay original color, ano niya? Okay, light blue.
Light blue.
Then, after, naunsa naman siya ang solution? Like grayish or whatever. Okay, then, so that means a reaction took place. So, we have magnesium replaces your copper, which is less reactive.
Mm-hmm.
It forms magnesium sulfate.
Sulfate.
Plus, this one is your metal deposit. Unsay color ani?
Uh,
Ito lang rag ni black.
Yeah.
Correct. Okay, so mana na siya. So, if you get a reaction, you should give me a single replacement nga chemical equation. Okay? Pero kinahanglan, unahon nimo pagsuwat ang metal plus that one para dali ka makahuna-una kani siya maka-replace. Okay. More reactive na siya. So, naa siya this one.
okay.
Okay? So, sayo na niya. Ang dili mag-perfect. Number 1, absent. Number 2, bungol. Number 3, buta. Number 4, kanji. Mura mo na. Simple. Yeah. Wala na ko tas. Okay. So, this one, okay. So, ang very active. This is the reason why ang gold is our best material for our fashion accessories or jewelry. Because they very less reactive. Okay. Okay na na. Okay. Atong irisan para dili kayo gubot. Okay. Ang sunod is, it is corrosion. Okay. Corrosion is the term, common term, or we know it as rusting. So rusting, corrosion, okay.
The
It is
same.
all about the chemical activity of our metals. Okay. So actually, we simulated corrosion. Di-unsa nato pag-simulate. Ano yung meaning sa simulate?
Reg
You test. Murag atong
Reenact.
Okay, duplicate. So naatay
Duplicate.
agar solution. Okay. Ang salt solution here is the source of our electrolytes. Dayon, ang atmosphere is the air. Ang agar solution is our source of water.
Water.
So this one, our electrolytes, air, water are actually the agents for corrosion. Okay, so ato na siyang i-simulate diri sa agar. Na, okay. The chemical term for corrosion or rusting is redox reaction. When you say it is a reduction and
Oxygen.
oxidation, ang duha
Okay.
magpuyog yun na. dili pwede nga na reduction na walay something na oxidize. It's just like when you give, there should be a receiver. Oh. So kung wala ang giver, wala sa receiver. And the other way around. So the redox equation is like this. Okay. Dayon, kaning duha, 1 and 2 are your indicators for the presence of OH minus, which is pink or red, then F2, which is blue. Sa ato pa, sa imong nail, naadjug kay color nga red, blue, and pink.
Okay.
Magkuyog na siya si blue o si pink because this will indicate the process of a redox reaction. So, this podo ragi pink, dili.
Nandiyan na blue pink.
Kato pa nagkabuwag sila, dili pwedeng buwagon. Malpan, ang uyab pwedeng buwagon, pero kanang chemical reaction, dili na siya pwedeng mo buwag. May chemical reaction, sabay-sabay. Walang iwanan. Diba? So reduction does not take place if there is no oxidation. Oxidation does not take place if there is no reduction. And the chemical equation is there. Okay, so then you have there the bent. Okay. Asa man sa bent ang pinakadaghan na color.
The middle part.
Kana siya.
The broken.
So you will have a reason.
Yeah.
Ano man. Ikaw ba kuno'y balion, dili ka mga kita dahil imong mga unod o mga bukog. So na siya, more surface for reduction. Okay, what's the other one? So what
Flat.
type of corrosion is this? Nana sa inyong pre-lab? Stress. Okay.
Stress.
Kamu ba kuno'y mas stress? O dili mo mga mental health? Okay, what's the other one? Nakay? Hammered.
Okay.
O heated. Okay. So, sa hammered, would you observe between the hammered ug katurang nail, asa may mas daghang color?
Hammered.
Okay, then also you would observe ang heated. So, kanang area nga na-heat, ang inyong detimana, diha sa ang daghang nga color. Ikaw ba ko na initon? Itong paso? Okay. Oo, mapayag. Okay, what's the other one? Hammer, dayon, heated, okay, na ang zinc. Okay. The zinc, so pampanalitan ka na siya ang zinc. Copper. Between zinc and copper, copper, iron man eh, correct? So iron na siya, zinc siya. Okay. So between this and that, which is more reactive?
Zinc.
Sa ato pa, this one would be the first one to
React.
or to be corroded rather than this.
Nga
So
na
kung imo
expose.
pinaposton sa ato pa, kanang zinc mo ay corroded. What type of corrosion is that? Barrier, and then unsa may role ni zinc diha? Sacrificial
Anode.
anode. Okay. Unsa pa mo'y laing? Okay, iron and magnesium. Correct?
Yes.
So kani gihapon. Okay. So what else? Tin. Between iron. Reactive ang tin or less reactive than iron? Less reactive. Gayon, does it also prevents corrosion? So unsay tawag ani nila? Then aluminum.
I think
Okay,
so.
so all of the metals here are actually there to protect iron to be corroded. Then nasa kay copper. Pero dili tanan nga kani siya. Oh. So there are actually metals, all of these metals would actually prevent corrosion sa iron. Pero there should be a practical reason for that. Asa may mas mahal? Ang iron or ang copper? No,
Copper.
Copper. Oh. Yeah, is this a practical way
No.
na kinahanglan ang atong mga iron atong ikotong copper? Ang inyong
No.
plate is made of Ayon. So, kinahanglan atong kaport. Huwag ka mahal ka social ka. Okay. So what are the practical ways to prevent corrosion? Painting.
Para na coat.
Oh, para na ay coat. Okay, diba?
Okay.
So, usa pa dilain. O kana rang sa ato rang natural way. Panalitan inyong buckle sa shoes or na kay something metal. So, dali siya makurod. Unsa kay buhaton ninyo? Na para dili siya mahol. Diba? Kung naa sa department store, ang katong metal ilang iputos o plastic. That's one way. Pero kung maabot sa itong bagay, dili pa rin yung plastic. So, unsa man? Pwede ta, dili sa pwede natin pintalan. So, a more practical way is, uy, kaloy, cellphone. Yung polish. O, diba?
Ah.
So, pwede anak para dili siya makuhaan. So, those are practical ways. I will include that one, ha? Practical ways to prevent corrosion at home. Okay. Or, di ba ang uban, ilang i-coat o candle wax.
Yeah.
Diba? So those are practical. So sometimes it's more on common sense. Okay. So the rest, we will have to study and answer all the questions. Then, mag-quiz ta o.
Next meeting.
O, tayo sa scan. Dili na to. Unsa di ay? Unsa di ay? Aw, ganahan kang dunganon ako.
Ayaw miss.
Oh. And the tensile strength, I will have to have the definition of terms. So, basa dyan mo ano tanan. Yang modulus, blah, 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 string, ana-ana. So, and kanang computation, unya na siya sa long exam.
Okay, miss.
Okay? And I would like you to, anytime I will have to collect your notebook, so dapat na complete ang observation of an inference. Ang inyong data sheet is a different thing. Pwede to siyang graduhan, pero kung wala saan mo ingon ani, wrong, wala mo grado ha? Observation on the notebook should have like this, or else, inyong ipatapot, uy, iyang padulan para na shape one inference. Or, inyong picturean, ang inyong katong observation, ipatapot ito, then give it the inference. Okay? Sige. Okay na ta?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Thank you for coming.